Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server Fake REST API Part 8, that is Pagination. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So right now we are going to learn about the pagination part, so how the JSON server act on this. So I'm going to update my JSON server db.json. So here we have the new JSON, right? So I need to just go and just check the JSON server watch db.json file. Let's act the page part. Okay, so have we have the pagination part. So let's check page and the count. Okay, so here we have the posts. Okay, so on the behalf of which page you want and the limit. Let's have a look on that one. So here we have the this, and let's try to add it over here. Done. We have the page 2. Let's page 1 and the limit 3. Okay, and let's try to hit this one. Page 1. Why it's not working? If this is the page and the limit, I think we have the post, not the API. Let's try to send it. So here we have the list of all the posts, right? So page 1 limit 3. No, it's not like this. So it should be underscore page 1 and limit 3. Okay, so this is not that one, no? Let's remove it. So 3 records are there. Then I want to record with the 4 records, then definitely it will go with the 4 records. If I go with the 2 records, then in page 1 2 records, that is post 1 post 2. The next, if I just increment the page 2 and the limit 2, another 2 records are there, so it will work as a pagination part. So you can also go with like this. So when the number of pages, so you can calculate accordingly and just use this part. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.